Hi everybody, this is the fifth tutorial on how to create a gallery with Drupal in which the elements, the photos, are nodes. I am Matteo, this is my Drupal consultant Conillo, and we are going on our tutorial. In the previous tutorial we have seen everything concerning the administration part of the gallery. Now we are finally going to really set up the views that display the gallery. Here it is the result we want to achieve. Of course, when I say that this kind of gallery is flexible, I mean it is really flexible. In this tutorial we are going to use Views Galleriffic, but this is just an example. Views Galleriffic is something I like, something I use for my website, but you can use any other kind of view to display your gallery. This is the real potential. You can set up a view, a standard view with color box that open up the pop-up of the images. You can set up a slideshow. You are really free to use every kind of view to show your gallery, and this is why I did everything of this instead of using one of the out-of-the-box model that do a gallery in the way they want, that maybe is not the one you want. So now I'm going to show you how I did using Views Galleriffic, but this is just really an example. Let's go on. This is Views Galleriffic, the model we are going to use. And now this is our album that is still empty. We shall create a new view. So we go to Structure, Views, Add New View. Our name will be Album Display, and we are going to show content of type, of course, photos. We are not going to create a page because, as in the other example, we are using panels, so we are going to create some view panes. So let's continue and edit. Now we need the title. That will be the title of each image, and we're going to add other fields. We're going to add the caption. This is the description of this image, and the image itself. And now we can leave this as it is, and this will be the thumbnail. So we're going to set the little thumbnail we have created before. This is the thumbnail. We now need to add once more our image field. So let's click on Add, and again Image. This time is the slide, that big image. This the set. Now we are going to replace the unformatted list with Galleriffic Gallery. Here is where the magic apply. We can let all the setting, the page also on top. I like it. No, we'll like all the setting, and after this we click on Fields, Galleriffic Fields, Apply, and here is where we put we tell Galleriffic which field to use where. Title will be our title, description is our caption, slide field is our image, and thumbnail field is our thumbnail. everything is done except these. We have to tell we are displaying all items because we are letting Galleriffic to do the pager function. Update preview. Now let's see what we have created. Here we are. Our gallery is ready. You see? We have the title, we have the caption, we have the photo, we have all our photos. Click on Save. And as usual, we are creating our contextual filter that will filter the photos that are linked to the album, not all the photos, of course. Here it is. Hide view if it's not validated, and specify validation criteria is always a good idea. Our filter is for album, filtered by the node ID. Let's put here what's happening, filtered by album. Now we are going to create our content pane. We do not give it a title because the title will be the one of the album. We just give an administration title that is album display, and we are specifying an argument from context. We'll allow panel to pass the argument. That is always our content ID. With this, I think we have nothing more to set. Let's save. Now we are almost ready. What is not correct yet is the sort criteria that is still related to the post date. So we have to remove this criteria because we want our photos sorted on the order we gave them with draggable view. Here we use draggable view weight, and we just leave everything as it is, and our view is completely ready. Let's save it, and here we are. Now let's go back to our pages page, and here we are enabling node view. This one, let's enable, and then edit, and we are creating a new variant. Sorry, I didn't click on it. New variant for album. Variant panel, selection rules. The content is just the node ID, so we don't need to. The selection rules is the node type. It's an album. We don't want to use this panel for other content type than an album. Let's continue. We are just setting this to one column for the moment, then you can do something different if you like. We just continue with no particular settings, and here we have some content. First of all, we add our view pane, this album display. Then we can add the different fields from the node album, but for this example, to make a long story short, we are just going to add the content, the full content. Title to node doesn't make sense. Full content, finish, create variant. Save. Now let's back to our installation, click on our album, and here we are. We have the full album, and here the description. This is a bit different from my website, where I have the description here and the comments below, but this is just an example, and we achieved the result we have just seen. Instead of placing the full content, just placing the node body up above over the gallery and the comment form below. So here we are, and here ends this fifth tutorial. In the next tutorial we are going to see some other little tricks, like how to add the cover of the album in the summary of the home page, and then yeah, a few other little settings. See you. Bye bye from me and from Cunillo. Bye bye.